Okay, this one is a bit cliche question. How to make quick income, right? So this is not something that I recommend, right? But I'm just give you some ideas so that you know where I'm coming from. Because my focus is all about building your business empire, right? For the next few months, you start building that. In the beginning, also a bit hard, and you start building that. If you don't have product, that's okay, but you still build your business. And later on, after say 12 months, you have a very solid business that pays you until the rest of the days. You get what I mean? Okay. But I'm covering this because it's quite a cliche question that many people like to ask how to make quick income. So I'm going to give you some idea. If you want to make like quick income on the internet, right, without like building your brand and building a database, it's that the fastest way to generate income is through affiliate marketing, which means that you're promoting someone else's product that has been proven to be successful. So this way you don't have to worry about product creation, you don't have to worry about sales conversion, you don't have to do anything except for the technical term is just being a traffic broker. Means that you're just brokering traffic. You get traffic, you pass this traffic to here, and you wish that this will convert and you make money, right? So that is the concept of so-called making quick money. I want you to understand the concept so that you understand how to do it, right? The quickest way to generate income is through affiliate marketing. So the approach is this. Okay, the first thing, let me just write it down here so that you know what is the quickest way for you to achieve this. This is basically the formula or basically the criteria for you to do that. Okay, the first one is that you should focus on affiliate sales. Okay, I will just put a bracket here. You earn commissions. So you focus on earning commissions than trying to sell your own products because everything else has been taken care for you. The next one, preferably what you do is that you focus on a niche market rather than the BizOp market. There's a reason for that and I'll share with you why. Okay. So a niche market is like, for instance, find a in-demand niche market. Means that it's market that people are willing to pay for. Like for instance, how to detox yourself, how to lose weight. That's painful enough that people are willing to pay money to know that, right? But then again, you have to do some basic analysis, as in like, is there going to be a lot of work? Most people are lazy. They know it works, but they're not going to do it in a sense. So you gotta find a niche market. Like for instance, example, teeth whitening. Okay, I'm not asking you to do it, but I'm giving you an example. Let's say you have a course that you know of an affiliate program, whether it's a knowledge-based product or it's a tool or whatever, that it says that you can have white teeth in 7 days. All right, people are willing to pay for that if it's not too expensive because having white teeth is worth more than that. Okay, so you gotta find a market that people are willing to pay money for that. You cannot go into a market like, for instance, like how to build your own something, right? I mean, because there's just like so much work to build something, and even though they want, but they may not want it in that sense. Okay, but if you do it at a competitive market, you're gonna lose money in that sense. Let's say you're going to the weight loss niche market and you target, say, US market in English language, you're gonna lose money for sure because the competition is insane. So the third point that you want to focus on is to look into local market if the opportunity exists. This is how you make quick income when you combine three of these criteria together. You look for a product that has been proven to convert, that you can promote. You find a niche market that is out of the typical BizOp niche market. And then you go for a local market where the competition is going to be even less, right? So how do you go about this? Okay, so let's say Malaysia market, right? So Malaysia market, it can still be in English, and that should be okay because you have already localized it. So let's say you find a product on how to, I'm just making this up, right? Like how to make your teeth white, and there's such thing. In fact, there's such thing in ClickBank, and you promote to the local market, right? So niche is teeth whitening. Uh, you're doing affiliate marketing and you promote to the local market. Guess what? Your competition is not going to be that tough, which means that your cost for traffic is going to be less, right? Now, even if you go for internet marketing niche market, like for instance, you promote an internet marketing product. Let's say you promote my course or my book, whatever it is. I'm not asking you to promote mine. I'm just saying that because I do not know who do you know, who do you follow, and things like that. I'm totally clueless. Okay, so you can still do that, but the problem is that you're gonna have traffic problem, right? Because chances are, if you are promoting, say, a BizOp product and internet marketing, like how to make money stuff in short, right? Your ads will not be approved inside Facebook. And to have quick income, you need to buy traffic. And the fastest way to do this, well, it's none other than Facebook at this moment of time, because Google AdWords will require another learning curve, and it's even more stricter, okay, in order for your ads to be approved. And Bing ads, Malaysia, they don't really use Bing, so that is like out, okay. Now, to do this, I would suggest you to do what we call a chatbot for you to promote affiliate program. So, for instance, I use Mobile Monkey. You can use this URL, moreInfoInsight.com/Mobile Monkey. You can register for free. If you need additional pro features, you can upgrade. If not, doesn't really matter. But it is free for you to register and use the basic features. So what you can do is that you can build your database, but with messenger leads. So imagine this: you find a product that you want to promote, you run the ads in the local market. So here's an example. Okay, I'm not saying that you have to do this. I'm giving examples so that you can relate. So let's say we do teeth whitening. Now, I'm not saying that teeth whitening will be approved by Facebook. Maybe it will not be approved because it's related to health. Okay, so we need to find something that Facebook are okay. You have to go and read their terms and conditions of ads being approved. So I'm gonna have a lot of assumption so that I can complete the training and you understand where I'm coming from. Right, okay, with me? So let's say if it's teeth whitening, you could be running an ads. You gotta have a fan page, of course, then you can run a newsfeed ads. You could be running an ad and you could give something for free. Like for instance, like who wants the report that reviews 3 natural products or natural fruits that you can eat to make your teeth become white. Now, I do not know what's the answer, but let's say you have that, right? Who wants that? If you want that, then just leave the comment there, say I want, right? And you run this ad. Now, because it's a niche market, people will follow. Have you seen like a post on fan page and they say, hey, who wants something? And people just leave comments like crazy, especially if in Malaysia, for the Malay market, you see that even more drastic. And of course, in the Chinese market at the same time, right? Because the market, it's a bit different. It's not that they haven't catch up, but they are somehow less exposed to the strategy at this moment of time, okay? So you have that, you say, hey, who wants this? And then who wants this? Just leave a comment. When they leave comment by using Mobile Monkey, but you have to have a pro version just so you know. Or you can sign up for a month and then cancel in a month to whatever it is, right? But it will be silly for you to cancel if it's getting you results. You know, you get to think like an entrepreneur. So anyway, let me just go back here. Is that now they will comment, and when they comment, they are now opt into your messenger list, right? And when they opt into your messenger list, you have the chance to give them the first welcome message. And the welcome message is where you'll be able to promote the affiliate program, this teeth whitening product, or whatever the product is. You can promote that to them right away, right? And your cost of acquiring the traffic and also the messenger list is ridiculously low. So you can do what we call traffic brokering. This strategy is something I do at 2003, right? It is called arbitraging the traffic. So last time I was buying traffic with Google AdWords and sending them to an affiliate program page. Like, just arbitrage it. So I'm just teaching you to arbitrage it in a different way right now. And you can just do that. So the whole focus is that how can you spend less and make more in the affiliate offer. So you got to work out the maths. Let's say it costs you, I'm just going to simply make this up, right? Let's say it costs you 20 cents a click. Again, this is not correct. I'm just giving an example. Let's cost you 20 cents a click. And let's say a sale you make 20 bucks. Commission is 20 bucks, right? So logically, at 20 cents a click, your quota is 100 clicks. So from 100 clicks, can you make a sale or not? If you can make a sale, right, you have break even. And whenever you can get less clicks for that, it means you are in profit. That is the quickest way of how you generate income on the internet. Right? So I just given to you the formula, the strategy, in fact, on how you can do that. And those are the criteria for you to lower your cost, be in a less competitive market, how you identify a product to sell. Okay, so that is my gift to you that you can use on. Now, at the same time, I also want to bring up the point is that for me personally, I would prefer not to try to generate quick income, so to speak. If I want to make money, I will focus on my job or my existing business or anything. Or if I want to make active income, I will just drive Uber or something like that. I mean, that's just how my brain is wired, right? Because I know what I want to accomplish. Like when I get into this game, what I want to build something that I'm proud of, and it's going to be a legacy business, right? That's what I want. And for that, if I need to hustle through, right, with some active income, I will get a job for my active income, and the extra hours I will build my business. I'm not going to try and do this and that because I don't want to waste my time, and it's just slow down for me to reach my ultimate goal, because there's a lot of ways to make active income. For instance, again, get a job, right? The job will give you the active income, and you just need to find extra time to build your business in that sense. So I will still use this strategy and so on, but I will tweak it, right, so that it goes hand in hand in what is my ultimate goal, right? So now I'm going to expand from what I just teach to you. Ready? All right. So you can still use the same model, but you should be choosing something that you want to do. Then you're going to use the affiliate sales that you generate to subsidize your so-called operation costs. So like if you go through this same process, and you choose a niche market that will be more costly and so on. So you can't match this, or you just break even, right? It is still okay because now you're getting traffic, and you're also building your brand because they are exposed to your brand right now. You build a proper page and so on. And at the same time, you're building your database, right? Because now you can still send message to them into the future. Okay. All right, so I hope that you got it. Is that valuable? All right, so that is for today's insider coaching session. All right, I hope you have learned some cool stuff today, and enjoy yourself. Have fun, get excited, take action, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.